The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class has finally been revealed, and it's pushing the boundaries of luxury, technology, and performance to a whole new level. Mercedes has always set the benchmark for the luxury sedan segment, and with this latest generation, they have redefined what a flagship vehicle should be. From its striking new design to an even more opulent interior and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 S-Class is the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Starting with the exterior, the new S-Class carries forward Mercedes-Benz's modern design language with a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia is dominated by a redesigned grille with a more pronounced presence, flanked by ultra-slim, high-resolution digital headlights that incorporate the latest in adaptive lighting technology. The hood features subtle yet elegant creases that flow seamlessly into the A-pillars, giving the car a dynamic stance even when stationary. The side profile is characterized by a longer wheelbase, flush door handles, and an overall more sculpted look that exudes sophistication. At the rear, the OLED taillights now offer a three-dimensional effect, enhancing the futuristic appeal of the car. The overall aesthetic is a perfect balance between classic elegance and cutting-edge innovation. Stepping inside the 2026 S-Class is an experience in itself. The cabin has been meticulously crafted with the finest materials, from Napa leather to hand-polished wood trims and brushed aluminum accents. The ambient lighting system now features an even wider range of customizable colors and intelligent mood settings that adapt to driving conditions. The seats have been redesigned for superior comfort, featuring even more advanced massaging functions, ventilation, and heating. Rear passengers are treated to an executive lounge experience with reclining seats, a dedicated infotainment system, and enhanced sound insulation for an ultra-quiet ride. The dashboard is dominated by the latest generation of the MBUX infotainment system, which now features an even larger OLED display with enhanced AI-driven functionality. Voice recognition has been further refined, allowing natural language commands to control everything from climate settings to navigation. The digital instrument cluster offers an augmented reality heads-up display that seamlessly integrates with the driver's view of the road, providing real-time information without distraction. The car's connectivity features are state-of-the-art, supporting 6G compatibility for lightning-fast data transfer and over-the-air updates to ensure the vehicle stays ahead of the curve. When it comes to performance, the 2026 S-Class does not disappoint. Mercedes-Benz has introduced a range of powertrains, including highly efficient hybrid options and an all-electric variant under the EQ sub-brand. The flagship AMG S63 model is powered by a high-performance hybrid system that delivers exhilarating power while maintaining impressive efficiency. The all-electric version features dual motors, offering an extended range with ultra-fast charging capabilities. The latest advancements in battery technology mean that charging times are significantly reduced, making long-distance travel more convenient than ever. The driving experience has been further enhanced with the latest generation of Mercedes Magic Body Control suspension. The system uses an array of sensors and cameras to predict road conditions and adjust the suspension in real time, ensuring an exceptionally smooth ride. Rear-wheel steering has been refined for even greater maneuverability, making tight urban driving effortless while improving high-speed stability. The S-Class also features the latest iteration of Drive Pilot, Mercedes' autonomous driving system, which allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions, bringing the future of mobility even closer. Safety has always been a priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2026 S-Class is packed with the most advanced safety features in the industry. The latest iteration of pre-safe technology now includes AI-driven predictive crash mitigation, which prepares the vehicle for impact by adjusting the seats, tightening seat belts, and deploying protective measures milliseconds before a collision occurs. The car also comes with next-generation driver assistance systems, including enhanced adaptive cruise control, automatic lane change assist, and a fully automated parking system that allows the car to park itself with precision, even in the tightest spaces. Another major highlight of the new S-Class is its sustainability focus. Mercedes has incorporated more eco-friendly materials throughout the cabin, including recycled fabrics and plant-based leather alternatives. The manufacturing process has also been refined to reduce the car's overall carbon footprint, making it a more responsible choice for luxury buyers who are conscious of environmental impact. In terms of personalization, Mercedes-Benz has taken customization to new heights with the 2026 S-Class. Buyers can choose from an extensive range of exterior paint colors, interior trim options, and even tailor-made upholstery designs. The new digital key feature allows drivers to use their smartphones to unlock, start, and control various functions of the car remotely, adding a new level of convenience and security. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is truly a masterpiece of innovation, blending timeless luxury with the latest advancements in automotive technology. Whether you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, cutting-edge comfort, or state-of-the-art safety, this vehicle delivers on all fronts. With its perfect harmony of elegance and performance, the new S-Class once again sets the gold standard for what a luxury sedan should be. As it arrives at dealerships, it is poised to redefine the expectations of automotive excellence and reinforce its position as the undisputed leader in its class.